I'ma still be like this. Comfort zone.
We cook,
season, we cook it, we eat it. Season, we cook it, we eat it.
A
Hey,
drizzle, a pop. A drizzle, a pop. A drizzle, a drizzle, a drizzle, a pop.
Hey guys, welcome back to Jill's Comfort Zone. Oh God, what we have here today. So today we are making some delicious stuffed pepper soup. Yes, doesn't that look so delicious, guys? This is my first time making it. The ingredients are simple. Let's get into the ingredients that we will be needing for this lovely dish. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and shimmy out. Alright guys. So guys, we're going to use some ground lamb for our stuffed pepper soup, okay? Alright guys, so we have 3 medium peppers here, okay? So you have your green pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper. You can use all green peppers if you want. I chose to use these peppers. So okay, you're going to need 1 cup of uncooked rice, and you're also going to need 2 cups of tomato sauce. Okay, so here we have ground lamb. You can use ground beef, ground chicken, whatever you like. Okay, I'm using ground lamb as I showed you earlier, and we have already cooked down with our minced garlic and our onions, and we seasoned it with some oregano, some thyme, some herb de Provence, onion powder, garlic powder, and we cooked this down in some olive oil. Okay, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. All right, and then I've seen a lot of recipes use brown sugar. I'm not using brown sugar today. I just choose not to. So there you have it with our lamb there. So we're about to go ahead and compile and get our dish together. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I added our ground lamb to the Dutch oven. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and add our peppers. Okay. And then we're going to add our 2 cups of tomato sauce of your choice. Make your own, whatever kind you like. I'm going to jazz this up since I used store brand. Okay. You're also going to need, I'm using 5 cups of water, okay? And also some canned diced tomatoes, okay, about 16 ounces or so. Right, and so we're going to use some diced tomatoes with the juice. In here, I have some in the fridge because I used a bigger can. I used a bigger can for another recipe, so I used half of it and then saved it for this. It is smelling so good right now, guys. Alright, and then let's add our 5 cups of water. Right? So I added 4 cups of water. I just want to see how the consistency is going to go. Okay? Because if you know me, I love a meaty, thick soup. I don't really like a watery soup. So let's see how this goes. Okay? And then we're going to use some W sauce, okay guys, and I am going to use about 3 tablespoons of that. Okay, eyeball it guys, just eyeball it. And now we're going to come in with some chicken flavor, our Maggie chicken flavor bouillon. It's about 2 tablespoons or so of that. Okay, season to your taste. Some freshly cracked black pepper. Alright, and then we're going to add our 1 cup of jasmine rice. Yes, ma'am. Alright, and now here we go. Going to jazz it up. I'm going to season this with the same seasonings that I used for the ground lamb. Okay, this is some ground that I grounded up. Some ground thyme. I have a little bit of ground cumin in here and some ground Italian seasoning. Herb PLUM. Complete seasoning. The only thing that I on my ground lamb that I'm not going to add in here is some paprika. Okay, I'm going to give this a stir. We're going to let this come up to a boil. Okay, guys, and then I'm going to turn it down and let it simmer. All right, so we will be right back. Oh, guys. This is about to be so delicious. Thanks for watching my last video. I hope you guys try this recipe. Alright guys, so it came up to a boil. So now we're going to turn this down and let it cook for about 30 minutes. Reduce the heat to low. And 30 minutes and then our soup will be done. Alright, I'll be back. Alright guys, let's see what we looking like. Oh yes, this is done. Oh my goodness. Look at this goodness, y'all. Ooh wee. I'm ready to eat. This looks so yummy. Sorry for the steam covering the camera. Ooh. Alright, y'all. I'm going to plate this baby up. Y'all see it? Oh, y'all see it. Alright. I'm going to plate this up and I'll be right back. Alright, guys. So, we are back and our stuffed pepper soup is done. We're going to top this off with a little bit of Parmesan and 5 Italian blend cheese. Right on top. And then just for a little decoration, let's do a little bit of parsley on top and voila. Oh my, there you have it, guys. Don't that look so delicious? Oh my goodness. I know it's going to taste the bomb. Let's give it a try, guys. Let's see. Mix up this. Get a little cheese in there. Let it melt down. Ooh. Are you ready for the first bite, guys? Let me see. Oh, yes. Let's go. It's hot. Woo. It's so hot, guys. I don't know. Ooh. It's delicious, guys. So hearty. Right in time for the season. Truly delicious. This is my first time trying it. And I did a good job. So anywho, thank you guys for coming. I appreciate your time here. Thank you for watching my last video. I hope you had a blessed Thanksgiving with your loved ones. And I love each and every one of you guys. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. And if your heart feels the need to do so, or the content to do so. And click that subscribe button right down there and turn it gray, and click the notification bell so you can be reminded of when I come to you with another delicious meal like this. So hearty and delicious and easy to make. Very simple. So don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think about the video, and share me out to your family and friends and let them know what we're doing over here at Jill's Comfort Zone. All I want to do is love on you while you love on me. And with that being said, as I always say, I love you. Stay blessed.
Bring the flavor.
Peace out.
Bring the flavor.
Later.
Jill Comfort Zone. Jill Comfort Zone. Sizzle and pop. Sizzle and pop. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle and pop.